integral 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x dx. We apply 1 minus cos 2a formula. 2 sin square a integral 1 plus cos square x by 2 sin square x dx. 1 by 2 split into 2 parts. 1 by sin square x cos square x by sin square x dx of cosecant square x plus cot square x dx. We know this formula, integral of cosecant square x minus cot x, but we don't know this formula. But in the trigonometry, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Apply that formula. Cosecant square x plus cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Apply the integration formulas. Minus cot x minus cot x integral of 1 equal to x off into minus 2 cot x minus cot x minus cot x minus 2 cot x minus x secant square x cosecant square x dx. This is the example problem. 1 by secant square means cos square x. Cosecant square x means 1 by sin square x. This is this problem. This is the example problem. This is the 7th problem. 1 by cos square x into sin square x. Write this one. Sin square x plus cos square x sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 by cos square x sin square x dx. Split into 2 parts. Sin square x by cos square x sin square x plus cos square x by cos square x sin square x dx. Sin square cancel. Cos square cancel. Integral 1 by cos square x secant square x 1 by sin square x cosecant square x dx. We know the both formulas. Integral of secant square x tan x minus integral of cosecant square x minus cot x plus c 1 by 1 plus cos x 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x dx. Multiply the numerator 1 minus cos x, denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square x dx, 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta, split into two parts, 1 by sin square x minus cos x by sin square x, sin x into sin x. See on the board, 1 by sin square cosecant square x, 1 by sin x equal to cosecant x, cos x by sin x equal to cot x. We know the both formulas. Integral of this one minus cot x, integral of this one minus cosecant x. Write down plus 3 sin cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Split into two parts, 2 cos cube x by sin square x cos square x plus 3 sin cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. Cos square cancel, sin square cancel. Listen, there is one cos, denominator sin square, 1 by sin equal to cosecant, cos by sin equal to cot. So cosecant x into cot x, sin by cos square, 1 by cos equal to secant x, sin x by cos x equal to tan x. Then apply the formulas. 2 into minus cosecant x plus 3 into secant x minus sin 2x dx, 1 minus cos 2x dx, cos 2x dx. కాకపోతే proofs are totally different. In this one, listen, 2 sin square a formula, root 2 square cancel, integral of sin x minus cos x. But this problem under root 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin a cos a integral a square plus b square minus 2ab a minus b whole square dx. Root 2 square cancel. Integral of sin x minus cos x. Integral of cos x sin x plus c. E power x minus 1 by x 2 by x square minus 1 dx. X square minus 1 dx. Integral of e power x equal to e power x. Integral of 1 by x log mod x. This 2 is this one. This 2 is this one.
Sir, connection.
X e power x 1 by x log mod x. This 2 is this one. Integral 1 by x square minus 1 cos h inverse x formula. Cos h inverse x 1 by 1 minus x square under root 1 minus x square plus 2 by under root 1 plus x square dx. This is the sin inverse x formula. This is the sin h inverse x. Sin h inverse x cos hx plus sin hx dx. First rationalize the function. 1 by cos hx sin hx cos hx minus sin hx by cos hx minus sin hx dx. Multiply the numerator. Cos hx minus sin hx a plus b into a minus b cos h square x minus sin h square x dx. We know in the hyperbolic functions cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. We apply this formula. Cos hx minus sin hx by 1 integral of cos h hyperbolic sin h integral of sin h cos hx hyperbolic